Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you have a favorite teacher?
I do, indeed. Mr. Vishal Goyal is my favorite teacher. He is always patient and kind to all of his students. He is also very encouraging, and I always feel comfortable approaching him with any questions.
Question number 2. What kinds of teachers do you like?
Teachers who are patient, encouraging, and helpful are my favorites. I also value teachers who are enthusiastic about their subject. I believe that a knowledgeable teacher with a positive attitude will foster a learning environment.
Question number 3. What makes a good teacher?
A good teacher is someone who is well versed in their subject and can explain it to their students in a way that makes sense to them. A good teacher must also be patient, understanding, and encouraging. They must also be capable of inspiring their students to achieve their full potential.
Question number 4.
A good teacher possesses the following characteristics: knowledge, patience, understanding, and motivation. When it comes to teaching methods and engaging their students, they should also be creative and open-minded. They must also have strong interpersonal and communication skills.
Question number 5. Do you think teachers should be strict?
I think teachers should make sure their students know what is expected of them and what the consequences will be, but they shouldn't be too strict. Teachers must be firm while also being understanding and compassionate. They should also be open to feedback and eager to hear from their students.
Question number 6. Have you ever had bad teachers before?
Yes, I have had bad teachers in the past. They were frequently unhelpful and uninterested in the progress of their students. They were also frequently irritable and unapproachable. Learning was difficult in this type of environment, and it made going to school a less than pleasant experience.
Question number 7. Do you still keep in touch with your teacher?
Yes, I still communicate with my teacher. We communicate via email and social media, and I try to check in with him on a regular basis to see how he is doing. He is always positive and encouraging, and I am grateful to have him as a mentor.
Question number 8. Who was your favorite teacher when you were young?
Mrs. Basanti was my favorite teacher when I was younger. Mrs. Basanti was my favorite teacher when I was younger. She was always patient and kind to her students, and she made learning enjoyable. Her teaching methods were also very creative, and she encouraged us to think outside the box. I have fond memories of her.
Question number 9. Would you want to be a teacher in the future?
Yes, I would like to be a teacher someday. Teaching is a noble profession in my opinion, and I would be honored to be able to pass on my knowledge and experience to future generations. I believe it would be a rewarding and fulfilling profession. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.